so many of you loved the short version of this donut. Thank you so much for watching and showing the love. That little video was super raw and unpolished, but honestly, your response totally surprised me, and it inspired me to make this full recipe video, complete with a scroll from my blog and some behind-the-scenes footage of my toddler helping out, because these donuts are just that good. These chocolate-baked donuts are rich, moist, and fudgy. Think lava cake vibes, but they're also made with real food ingredients like yam and carrot flour, paleo-friendly and low-glycemic. They've become a staple in our house, part treat, part power snack. I love that they're toddler-approved, mom-approved, and honestly, even our dog tries to sneak a lick of the batter, but don't worry, I don't let her. You'll see the full recipe scroll right here, so you can pause and screenshot it anytime, or head to my blog at healtruelove.com for the printable version and more recipes and inspiring content. And here's that final moment. The sound, the bite, the magic, how moist, even a tiny little crunchy. These donuts are more than just dessert. They're connection, joy, and nourishment. Yum! Put on some fun music, invite your little one to help, and have a blast making these together. And if you do, please let me know how it went in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and blog for more healing kitchen magic. Often gluten-free, dairy-free, toddler-friendly, and even doggy-approved. This mama doesn't always have time for fancy edits. Shout out to my fellow parents, but what I do share is real, simple-ish, and full of heart. Healthy and delicious? You can't beat that. Thank you for watching.